I'm going to make Hyderabad streets style burger. And even in small bakeries, they don't give you burger patties, but they will give you a chicken keema. Applying mayonnaise, they just put a little bit and they sell these burgers for 50-60 rupees. And actually, I salute all those street vendors who makes this happen. Dear friends, make it at your home. Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Washchef at Vareva.com. And today, I'm going to make Hyderabad streets style burger. In the Charminar and all that areas, and even in small bakeries, they don't give you burger patties, but they will give you a chicken keema. Applying mayonnaise, they just put a little bit and they sell these burgers for 50-60 rupees. But they use a big bun, they use mayonnaise and the chicken is also cheap, they don't use nice fresh boneless chicken or something like that. See, look at this chicken, there is nothing wrong with it. This has got the skin, everything, and the fat also. Whenever the chicken like this, they kind of make a keema out of chicken. And trust me, I love chicken skin. I made pickles with chicken skin. I made many things and in cooking, but the chicken skin has the fat. And in fact, if you go to the street side vendor of this Chinese street side vendor, all they buy is chicken skin and the fat. Go and ask any of these chicken shop guys, what does that local Chinese guy buy? They buy the chicken skin, they buy the fat, they make a keema out of it, they put some maida into it, they will make little small pieces and fry it, and that is what they will serve you as chicken Manchurian, chicken with noodles and all that. No real chicken, but the taste will be good. So this one also I'm going to make a keema, and I'm going to make this cheap 50 rupees burger, and you will enjoy it. The chicken is all keema-fied, and there is roughly with the chicken skin, and we're going to make this really tasty. All you need to do is add some oil in the pan. Even little bit of oil is good enough, but the flavors from this will come out, and when you're cooking in this will dry out. We're going to add some onion and add a little bit salt, and we're going to dry it out. Dry it out in sense, these chicken pieces also need to be added in this. Just make sure roughly with the skin, the chicken, everything, and we are going to fry this chicken till this is slightly brown in color. This onions is slightly sauteed. Add turmeric. In this, add a little bit of ginger garlic paste. This will give a very nice flavor. We're going to add some garam masala powder. Will give that strong flavor to this chicken. The whole idea is you give little bit chicken, but still the guest has to feel that they are eating, and that is what is the trick of this street food. In this, we're going to add some chili powder, and I'm adding some chili flakes also for extra spice. This is what it is going to be. But the thing is, if I make this chicken like this and keep it there, by evening it will spoil. But the way they make that chicken, it won't spoil even if you keep it out for 3 days. So they're going to dry it out. And after slow cooking, this has become good. And trust me, this is very tasty, and even little more I can dry, but this should be good enough. So this is what they put it on the burger, and that is when you get that street kind of taste. Usually the burgers are not, pan grill, but anyway, because I am going to eat it, I'm just going to use little butter. See, I wanted to make this 50 rupee burger, but finally I'm going to end up making it like nice burger. So here is nicely cut. We're going to put little butter and cook it on both sides. This is to kind of refresh, but nowhere on the streets, even in those fast food centers, they don't do it. But in the 5-star hotels, we definitely do this. Add a little bit of butter on the pan, just like this, and let this get a nice little bit brown color. You have this bun also ready, and with little bit of butter and this, then the bread also becomes nice soft on one side. And now we're going to fix this. What they do is they add mayonnaise. Mayonnaise means nothing but some oil and emulsified. And on this, they're going to put the chicken. Trust me, they don't put more than a spoon of this chicken. But since I am going to eat this, I'm going to make a little extra. They never give this much chicken. This is like a bonus kind of thing. But this cooked in the oil, dried out. But when you eat it, you will get a real best flavor of chicken in this. Now on this, 1 or 2 slices of thin onion, and maybe a tomato, maybe a slice of cucumber. Again, I am making this really good. And sometimes I have seen even some chopped coriander in it. On this, tomato ketchup goes. Little bit of tomato ketchup, this very thin overflowing tomato ketchup on the edges, that will flow down, that should be good enough. Then burger. See, definitely it is not of this quality, but for me I am very choosy because I have eaten the best of the burgers when I started my career. But you have to understand, even a lot of people who cannot afford, to spend more than 50, 60 rupees, even they can enjoy burger. And actually I salute all those street vendors who makes this happen. What else can you give for 50 rupees? A chicken burger. But this one, what I made, you can make this at home and this will be tasty also. For 15 rupees and 20 rupees you get mango drink. So here, mango colored drink. Today, if everybody, even a laborer, even a small worker who cannot afford much, they also know what burgers are, what these mango drinks, everything. For every price, you can enjoy great food in India. This much of chicken, but definitely a tasty street side burger. Very tasty. It may look like a chicken keema burger, but with the skin and all that. Too good. Flavorful. Masaladar, but awesome. Make it at your home and keep saying, Varavam, this is absolutely fantastic. Every sip for me, none for the chicken. Chicken won't even drink this. What is this yellow color? Get me the white one from the tree. That is what is real fun. But with the burger, this is good.